Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to week 9. This week we are looking at performing simple calculations with money, including finding change and rounding to the nearest 5 cents. So let's take a look at problem 1. Toby would like to buy a pair of soccer boots for $25 and a soccer ball for $16.75. In total, it costs $41.75. Okay, boys and girls, so as you can see, the total cost for Toby's soccer boots and soccer ball is $41.75. Toby would like to purchase this using $50, so we need to count back Toby's change from this $50. So we can start from the total cost of $41.75. We need to round up to 80 using our 5 cents. So counting on would be $41.80, adding on an extra 20 cents to round it to the nearest dollar, which would be $42, adding on $2, which would make it $44, adding on one more dollar, which would make it $45, and finally adding on $5 to round it back to the $50 that we started from. So in total, Toby will receive $8.25 from $50. Problem 2. Sally would like to make a lunch order at the school canteen. One sandwich costs $4.50. She would like to purchase an apple for $1, one donut for $1.50, and a carton of milk for $3.50. In total, it will cost $10.50 for Sally's lunch. So as you can see, Sally's total cost for her lunch order is $10.50. Sally is going to pay with this using $15, as you can see. We need to count back Sally's change from $10.50. So we're adding on 50 cents to $10.50 to make $11. We then can add on $2 to make $13 and an extra $2 to make a total of $15. Altogether, Sally's change will be $4.50. If we add our $4.50 to $10.50, it will add up to $15. This way we can check that we have the accurate change given. And our final problem for today, boys and girls. Mum went out shopping to buy a kettle for $19.70. She bought a toaster for $18.50 and a clock for $9.25. In total, this cost Mum $47.45. So as you can see, for the kettle, toaster and the clock, it totals $47.45. Mum is going to pay with this using $50, so we need to count back our change from $47.45 to $50. So we begin with 5 cents to round to the nearest 10, which would equal $47.50. We can then add on 50 cents to round this up to the nearest dollar, which would be $48. We can then add on $2 to round it up to the next $10, which would total $50 altogether. In total change, Mum would receive $2.55. If we add our $2.55 to $47.45, this would add up to $50. So this way we can check that we have got accurate change given. Okay, boys and girls, so we're just going to recap. Today we were learning to perform simple calculations with money, including finding change and rounding to the nearest 5 cents. I would now like you to go and complete today's learning activity. Thanks, boys and girls, for listening. Have a great day.